Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now click on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Now just click on eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!